she likes, what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and in the last video I showed you guys step by step how I finessed fake nails with cornstarch for the win, with of course a marble mani to go with it. I asked if you guys wanted a follow-up video or two, and you guys gave me a resounding yes girl, so here we are. In this video, I'll be breaking down how I refreshed my 3-week-old grown-out fake nails. Let's get started. First off, we gotta assess the damage. I gotta say, overall, I was really impressed at how well these babies held up. There were a few snafus like this thumb here. She was the only one to pop off in 3 whole weeks and did so a day after my nails were done. But that's my bad. It was too early to push her to the limit. But I just nail glued that baby back and that was that. On the other hand, we had a snafu turned snapified. Middle finger caught a major L, and of course, I have the story firsthand. I was out with a friend, long story short, my nail broke and I was desperate for a fix. So my friend whips out this bubblegum pink dental glue from her purse, you know, for tooth snafus, and was like, wanna use some? And I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? Needless to say, the dental glue failed and left me with pink goopity goo deep within the crevices of my crusty nail. The moral of the story here is, it be your own fake nails too. Over time, this vulnerable nail has been lifting from moisture, water, and oils. That's why she's ready for liftoff now. Middle finger is breathing again, but a few more of the girls on this hand will be joining her soon. I'm sure they wanted some fresh air before going back under the nail too. Back to the left hand, we'll let the fill-in process commence. I grabbed a few nail files to sand off the marble design and to help smooth out the transitional hump between the cornstarch and the new growth. This would have been the perfect occasion for a nail drill, but you know me, I ain't really with the bits. Now that the buffing for the one nail is done, the other girls will follow suit. And back to the other hand, pointer and thumb have finally broken free for some air before going back under. Now I'm going to focus my filing energies towards the little humps here to smooth them out before filling the girls back in. And just like last video, I'm taking a clear base coat, my trusty fan brush, and a bit of some cornstarch to whip the girls back into shape. First applying one thin layer of the clear base coat over the new growth of each nail. Then quickly applying the cornstarch onto the wet nails. The magical key here is to let the cornstarch rest on top of your nails for a moment or two before using your fan brush to dust off the powder. I repeated this quick fill-in process 3 more times for a total of 4 fill-in layers. After that, I did 1 layer over the full length of my nail to really smooth everything out, so it came out like this. Looking good. Next, I'll add a coat of the white and bring my right hand's progress up to speed so that it's easier to go right in to try other colors with the same nails that have been pushing for nearly a month. Overall, I'm pleased with this cornstarch nail hack, and I'm actually surprised I got a few whole manicures out of this one. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this refresh the hack type tutorial and found it helpful. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and engaging. Take care, happy nail growing, and stay tuned for the latest. I'll see you in the next one.